How excellent is your name. How excellent is your name. How excellent is your name, oh God. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evie again. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today I am bringing you this beautiful tuna club sandwich recipe, and you are going to love it. My love for sandwich is overwhelming. Oh my goodness. So I am going to list the ingredients in the description box so you check it out, okay? So to begin with, I have some tuna flakes here, diced cucumber, diced onion, some mustard, mayonnaise, salt to taste, some black pepper, and then I'll sprinkle some ketchup, which is optional. So I'm going to list all the ingredients together with the measurements in the description box so you check it out, okay? So now our tuna filling is ready, so we'll just set it aside. And then I have some bread here, so I'll just butter it a bit and then toast it for just about 1 to 2 minutes, just to get my bread to be crunchy. So toasting the bread is best done on a pan grill, but then I used frying pan, which is optional. You can choose not to toast your bread. So my pot is on fire already and it is hot, so I'm just going to toast each side of this bread for just 1 to 2 minutes. So once it's toasted, I am going to set it aside and then allow it to cool down. So my bread was fresh bread from the oven, so I couldn't get the desired shape I wanted, but then I'm going to use it. It's best to buy your bread for it to be like 2-3 days. So these are the ingredients I'm going to use for the assembling of the sandwich. So to begin with the first layer, I'm going to start with my veggies. Sprinkle a bit of ketchup, and then we are going to our next layer. So here we are going to spread our tuna filling. I'll be putting the link up there how I made my tuna sandwich also. So we cover it and then we just divide it into 2. So now to the second layer, second assembling I mean. So after covering with the second layer, like this, we use toothpick to support the sandwich from not falling, and then we divide it into 2 or into 4 parts, and just look at so satisfying. Oh my goodness, beautiful, inviting, and mouth-watering. It's filled with goodness. Wow, look at it. Just look at how colorful and beautiful it is. Friends and family, take your breakfast, your snack, your sandwich to another level, and your family, they are going to love it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up and share for your friends and family to also enjoy this goodness. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys, especially my returning viewers, my new subscribers. Thank you so much. God bless you.